Yes, Alka. So now we are going to see about Ensemble Learning use case. So here I am taken Google Store app rating prediction. So this is mainly using for to predict the applications, Alka. First you have to understand the data set, Alka. So first one is app and the second one is category. You can use any app, Instagram and photo editor or video or any app. So this is the category. So arts and design are, games are, family are, entertainment are, movies are, like that category. And this is the rating for the application, and these are the reviews of the applications. These are the sizes, 19 MB or KB, like that. So this is the installations count, and this is the type. So whether the app is free or paid. If it is free, we will give the price as a 0. If it is paid, we will give the price here. And the content rating also. And genres and category are also same. So Alka, in the data set, it has, we want to handle the file handling, Alka. Definitely. So it has multiple unnecessary files or labels are here. Okay. So another one is last updated and current version and Android version. Okay. Just to see, I'll explain you. They are asking the enormous potential to driving app making business. Okay. So it means they are asking rating prediction only, whether it is high or low. Okay. So if you are ordering any something in Amazon or Flipkart, or else you can download any other application, you are checking the review, right? Ratings, right?
Yes.
So if it is high, you have two three applications. You are checking the rating. So if it is highest, then only you can use these applications, right? So now see YouTube. There are many persons are using YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and etc. So these are the applications are anytime purpose, right?
Yeah, right.
The rating prediction is also very high, so then only they people are enhancing these applications, right? They are enhancing YouTubes and Instagrams, and they are updating the WhatsApp, right? So in
Yes.
WhatsApp, in every month once the WhatsApp will update, right?
Yeah, once update is there.
Because it's needed for us to chat and call, is it's need for us, right?
Hmm.
So see the dataset information. So we've scrapped the data from 10,000 Play Store apps details. So application name I already told, right? Category, rating, review, size, installs, type, price, content rating, genders, last update, current version, Android version. Just you have to import this. And now tell me why we are using pandas to import here. Why we are using?
Yeah, Panda to read the table.
Is it helps for data manipulation and analysis, and
Yeah.
NumPy is using for mathematical
For numerical
calculations.
mathematical
Yeah,
operation.
C1 and Matplotlib is used for data
For
visualization, right? So
visualization.
while we want to ignore the warnings, we have to
One
filter the warnings and ignore
filter
them.
one.
And come to sklearn model selection, we were importing the train test split, and in
Yes.
pre-processing, I'll explain you pre-processing steps, standard scalar and min-max scalar. Yesterday you know the label encoder, right?
Yeah, labeling code.
Numbers, they are converted as a numbers, and decision tree classifier and ensemble learning, you just only I told, right? So random forest classifier, bagging classifier, AdaBoost classifier, gradient boosting classifier, stacking classifier.
So all
And
you have to apply.
yes,
Import. Have to import all.
yes, Alka.
Whatever they are applying.
Just
Okay.
for learning, Alka. If one is enough for us. Okay. And another one is just why we are using read CSV function
Yeah, to upload the file to
to
read
read
it.
the data set. So
Yeah.
what head function does
It does like starting 5 rows it
is
shows.
first 5 rows. And what did you understand in shape?
Shape shows us rows and
How
columns.
many rows and columns are there, Alka?
So columns are 1000, just a minute. Okay,
10,000.
10,841 and rows are 13.
Which one is row? Which one is column, Alka?
Okay, just a minute. The last one is column. Actually, 13 is column and first one is row.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And what did you understand in info function?
So info shows us data type
Info shows
and the
the
count of
information. What did you understand by
columns.
seeing this? What did you understand while seeing this? What are the errors did you find?
Okay, so app is object like a string, category is a string,
Okay.
and
Only
float
rating,
rating
only
is in
rating
float
has the
format.
float, right?
Yeah, rating is in float format. Other are string object.
Okay. And did not find any other error. So you told right. So there are how many records are there? 10,841.
Ten
Let's see.
thousand eight hundred
Yes,
forty-one.
many
So in
records are
float,
missing. Here one record is missing, right? Here also one record is missing. Here two records are missing, right? So we want to filter
we have
these
to
things.
pre-processing it. Yeah, we have to
Check Alka.
apply.
If you are given include all, so if you are given
Hmm.
include bow, it displays the object only. If you not given anything, so it automatically displays summarize the numerical columns. If you are given all, so it displays the all the things Alka, both object and numeric columns. Have you seen count, unit, top, frequent? So these
Yeah,
are
and if
objects.
being O include O, right? Then it's giving object only.
Yes, Alka. If you are
Yeah.
given include O, include capital O, it only displays the object.
Hmm.
Uh, so this is another one. So if you are given all, it displays the is this
All. Yeah,
yeah.
all the rows
Okay.
and columns.
Yes, yes. So these are the observation here I given. So nothing here. So and the next one is you are checking the app value counts, Alka, because there are many duplicate applications are there. You are just
Hmm.
checking the head 20. Okay. So now check Roblox app has a 9 apps are there. And which one is Subway Surf? Subway Surf we have 6 applications are there. And Candy Crush we have 7 applications are there. There are many duplicates applications are there, right? Yes, Alka.
Yes, right.
So now what we does means we are just checking. So app column. So is in Roblox and ESPN Nick. Sort by app means sort by what? Ascending order. So first one is E for ESPN. Okay, so R Roblox then Nick. Okay, P. Okay, so this is the order Nick
Yes,
and
yes,
Roblox.
that,
Okay, and now check ESPN. So ESPN is what's the category of these applications? Sports. And their
hmm.
rating and their reviews and size. So sizes depends on the various with device. If you are using iPhone, if you are using laptop, if you are using Samsung, it depends on various on devices. Okay. Comes to install parts, they are these are the members I installed this one. So Alka, if you want to convert as a numeric, what are the things you will do here? We will remove the replace the plus into
It is,
empty and we will directly convert as a what numeric, right?
yes.
Here the content rating, all the details are here. Okay, and we are move on next. If you are using drop duplicate, I already told, right? So app, so in app in place equal to true means it automatically remove the duplicates. Now check here, Alka. Now check it here. So all the applications are in one only, right?
Yeah.
So then come to next. So now you have checked the shape. Now tell me how many rows and columns are there?
Yeah, now it's left. Before it was 10, now it's
Yes, 10,000. Yeah, 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 yeah.
9,660. And rows
Ah,
are, no, no,
yes,
columns are same.
yes, Alka. And comes to category, now you are checking value count. In family category, we have a thousands applications. In game application, we have a 900 something. So in sports applications, we have a 300 something, right? So in shopping
Hmm.
also we have a 200 something. So these are the categories of value count. So this is unnecessary, right? So we want to remove this data, right? 1.9 is a unnecessary category. Is right, Alka?
Yes.
Hmm. So we want to when wherever the category is equal to 9, we are checking and we are finding the index number. Using this index number, we will drop the entire record. Have you got it? We will drop the entire record. So
That
because the
record.
category is 1.9, right? We don't know the category. So then only we will remove the record.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Let me move on another. Yes, Alka.
Yes. Sure. We can move.
Ah. Wait a minute. I'll just again and run the code. Okay, so now we are using graph notable. Wherever that cell will be empty, it also remove the entire rows, right? Now you are checking the is null sum. If it is any rows has a empty, it will give us a what?
Is now some, yes, you are audible.
Okay. So Alka, so here's the app is a unique only. So there is no a null value. So all are in empty. Okay. So now you are checking the info function. What it displays. Now tell me, do you have any differences from previous one to now? So now we
Mm,
have
all are
8,000
8,190. All
records
of
are
them.
there, right? Okay. So the next one is so we want to convert as a rating one. So we will adding a new column. We will adding the new column. Just a minute, I'll tell you. So here we are adding the rating category. So this is a new column. Okay. So if it is the rating is high, if the rating is high, we will give us a high. If it is low, we will give us a low. It means if the rating is greater than or equal to 3.5, so it is we will give us a high. Okay. So otherwise we will give us a low. Okay, I'll tell you. So imagine this is the empty dictionary. So this is the empty dictionary. So you are giving the rating. So what is the length rating? So now tell me what is the length of rating? 8190.
90.
Okay, so starts from 0. Okay, starts from 0 to 8190. Okay, so now we are taking the df rating column. Okay, so in rating column we will give the index location I. So I means zeroth index. Which one is zeroth index? First one, right? Is Alka.
First. Yes.
So ratings zeroth index. Ratings zeroth index means who? 4.1. If 4.1
Mm,
is greater than or equal to
yes,
3.5,
yeah, it is.
yes, then only the rating category 0 is high.
Right.
Otherwise it will returns as a low.
No.
We will assigning as a panda series. As you know the panda series, right? It is a single column value, right? So this is the single column, right? Is Alka.
Yes.
So one by one it will returns as the rating category.
Got it.
Have you got it?
Yes, got it.
Okay, so now you are checking the rating because our in our problem statement is we want to find the Google App Store rating, right? So we
Hmm.
have to find the category value, and normally is equal to true means it will convert as 100 percentage. Now tell me, so high has a 91 percentage of people. Sorry, percentage is high rating. So remaining 8 percentage is a low rating, right?
Hmm.
Comes to rating part, you will see as a graph. So we give us a value counts functions and give us a plot as a bar chart. Now you are visible, right? So this is the high percentage and this is the low percentage, right? It's a below 1,000, it's above 7,000, right?
Yeah. So,
Um,
what is this? This is rating from customers. Like more than
not like that. Rating applications. They are rating highest rating is of applications. It means 91 percentage of application has a highest rating.
all the applications.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
All the applications means how many applications are here?
Yeah,
8,190.
8,190.
Like, have you got it?
Okay.
And we are checking the reviews data type. So it's an object. So we want to convert as a numeric. So we want to convert as a so see
Hmm.
reviews. It's a object alga. It's an object. So we want to convert as a
Numeric.
numeric. So you already know. So how to calculate. So now you are checking the data type. So we have new data type. What is the new data type? Integer. So we have a new data type. Now you are giving the box plot for reviews. These are the reviews box plot.
Hmm.
Have you understood, Alka? So the box plot means the box is showing here. Okay. Depends
Yeah.
on reviews. Depends on reviews. So 1e7 means 1 into 10 power 7, Alka. 1 e means exponential alka. 1 e power 7 means 1 into 10 power 7. It means 1 into 10 power 7. Have you got it, alka?
Yeah, got it.
E means exponential. Exponential means power value. Have you got it?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is the box plot, and another one is review. So this is the log. Using log function we will display as a reviews in zoomer. Have you got it? In this part we will see as a zooming part, like we are seeing like a microscope, right?
No, what?
Alka, in our laboratory science lab we will see using microscope. We will
Okay, so you are saying we are. It's looking like that we are
yes, the
seeing from
small
my
the small the small diagram will be show as a big one.
big one. Yeah.
Have you got it? Then
Okay.
only we are using log. Small number is small element will shows as a bigger element.
Okay, so we use log.
Yes, yes, yes. Have you got
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
The next one is we are checking the head. Okay, which one size? So now 19 MB, 14 MB. So we want to change this one. So wherever the size is not equal to varies, we will not take this one. Okay, we will not take this one. Okay, so remaining. So we will define as a function alga. Just imagine alga. See size where I applying a lambda, I am applying size. So size automatically convert as a what alga? X.
X.
X. So convert function of x. Okay. So now tell me alga, size is convert as a x. So this first one is 19m. First one is 19m. So now convert. So here we call it as convert function of x. Here we give as a entry. Okay, so here we give as a entry. So 19m will be replaced here. Here will 19m will be replaced here. Now tell me 19m. Which one is minus 1 index? 1 or 9 or m? Which one is minus 1 index? Aga, this is the sequence of
Okay, minus
characters.
n.
M. So, m equal to k, va? No. Condition is not satisfied. If k equal to k, then only we go to this. Otherwise, we will go as a here. So, what we replace? We want to replace m as a empty
Yes,
and
entry.
convert into float and multiple to this value. Have you got it, Alka?
Okay.
The same concept repeat. If it is k, it will returns as this number. If it is m, it returns as these numbers. And finally, the new entry will display here. Have we displayed? It's all are in float, right? So in previously all are in object. So now we are convert as a float, right?
So to convert it into float, we are multiplying it with this, with the 10,000 or 1 lakh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have we got it?
Yeah.
Now we are checking the unique values from install Alga. What are the things you will remove? So this is the string. So you have to remove the dollar into empty, right? And you have to remove the comma also. So it's not a point. We want to remove the comma also. Then only you easy to convert as a numeric, right?
Hmm.
So these are the steps we are doing here. String replace the comma to empty plus to empty. So now we will convert as a numeric. Okay, so now we convert as a numeric. Let's see. All are in integer, right, Alka? All are integer, right?
Yes.
Now we are checking price. Now tell me what are the things you will remove here. So this is in string format. What are the things you will
Dollar,
remove here?
dollar, point,
Dollar to
point,
empty,
and
and you
the
and you have to
quotes.
and you have to convert as a numeric, right? So the same thing, dollar to empty, and the next one is what you have to convert as a numeric. Now the unique is in which one, float or integer?
So this is integer.
Yeah,
No, a point.
fine, it's
So
a
this is
float.
float. Yeah.
Okay, now you are dropping the column app rating genus last update current version. We no need to want alga. So just access one means what, column. We want to remove, drop the column. Now you are checking the head function. These are the column is enough. These are the column is enough. Category,
Hmm.
review, size, installs, and price and content rating. These are the column is enough alga.
Okay.
Hmm. So and come to next one alga. Now you are checking the, you are converting as a high to 1 and low to 1, sorry, low to 0. So in rating you are replacing what, You are
High.
replacing. What are the elements data in high? We want to convert as the 1.
One.
What are the elements as a 0? We will convert as a 0. Now you are checking the rating category unit. So what are the things in rating category?
High.
Ones and 0.
One
now
and
now
zero.
now you're
High.
checking these are the information is enough Valka, so we will superly pre-processing the data. So there are 7,000 records are there, and we will convert as a many float and integer, right? Because all the columns are in object, right?
Hmm.
Have you got it?
Yeah. There are floats also.
Sorry, sorry Alka.
Uh, there are floats also, right?
Yeah, we find out that. So come to next one Alka. So listen Alka. So all are in numeric, right? So all are in numeric. See the previous data. So all are in
Numeric. Yeah.
objects plus highest value. So object plus highest value. But see here we convert as a numeric and less value. I'll tell you one by one. Alka, just imagine this is a list comprehension. First see this one. Okay, first we will take as a all columns. What are the columns we have? 8 columns, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah.
8 columns will one by one. So what is the first one data type? What's the first data type, Alka?
It's object.
Object equal to object.
Hmm.
Yes. Then only we will print the name into the list. So what are the names will present here Alka? Category, and another one is type, and another one is
Type.
rating
Yeah.
category. So
Great.
only we have 3 in our list, right? I'll give
Hmm.
us a command line Alka. So what the variable objects is present here? Tell me one by one. What's the first object Alka?
The first one is category.
So it's in a 0th index, right?
Yeah, zeroth index.
And
Category.
what is second?
Type. Fourth index.
Yes, it's a first
Type.
index. Yeah, type is a first index, and another.
Another is content rating.
Yes. These are the just I giving as a command line, so you have to imagine these things.
Hmm.
Now you can easily note out the index position, right? Now you give us a label encoder as a lead. Now you are defining a function. First one is they are taking what? Taking the object type variable. They are taking the object type.
Yeah, I'm not getting this one, Vasant.
Alka. What are the things stored in object type variable?
Not only this, let's complete this one.
Category, type, content rating. Have you understood these two lines?
No, actually not.
Alka.
How did
So
you take only those three, like
Alka, we are
category type?
given the condition, right? For loop, right?
For loop is we are
So
applying
df
here, yeah.
columns means in I position it is automatically print one by one, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yes.
So the what is the first 0th index?
Okay,
Type.
so you are giving loop to give only objects, to
Hmm.
print only objects.
Yes. What are the objects? You already told, right? Category, type, content rating.
Type and rating,
So what
yeah.
are the things stored in
Different
object type variable? Category, type,
type
content
content rating.
rating. So these are the
Hmm.
things in object type variable, Alka. Have you got it? What's the
Yeah,
0th
no.
index of here?
Category,
Here is a df 0th index means so it automatically prints as a convert as a what? String,
string, yeah.
and stored into the here, and we convert as a integer. Have you got my point?
Yeah, okay.
Or else you can directly write here. Don't give a q, or else you can give directly right here. Okay.
Hmm.
Do you have any
Okay.
doubt here, Alka?
Yeah, now fine.
So what the things will happen means, so see, category, content rating category. Sorry. What are the things will object? Category, type, content rating.
Type
These are the things
content
will
rating.
convert as a numeric label encoder, Alka. So category, type, which one next? content rating. All are convert as a
Content.
label encoder. Have you got my point?
Yeah.
Now only Alka, you are doing machine learning model. So you are separating X and Y. Have you got my point? You need all the columns, but you no need to rate category because rate category is the output, right? So
Yes.
here you can drop in X axis. If here you can take an as a Y axis. Have you got my point?
Hmm.
Now we are
Separate.
going for train test for 30%. You are checking the shape. So how many of going for training? 4,914 are training and remaining 2,110 are 7, sorry,
Testing.
107 are testing. Have you got my point?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, so the next one, min-max scalar, I already told, right? So min-max scalar is converted as a scale value. Check the value alpha, 0, 1.6, 1.9, 19, 14. So check. Now see here. So all are converted as a min-max scalar. So it's a fixed scale value. Have you got my
Hmm.
point?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, so let's see. So the min-max scalar functions we will define as the object is right? So we already seen the index location, right? So if you're given the simply colon, it means what? It takes all the rows and columns, right? It takes all the rows and
Root.
columns will convert as a what? Xtrain and xtest, right?
Hmm.
Alka, do you have any doubts here?
Yeah, Vasant will try this. This I got that sending for testing and training.
Okay.
And then after,
Sorry, Alka.
yeah,
Repeat the question, Alka. Repeat the question.
that min max scalar. I found just
Okay.
that.
So wait a minute. So in your school days, you people are mentioning as so you want to draw the picture like a 5 kilometers road, okay? But you are drawing in a 5 centimeter scale, right? You are mentioning as a 5 kilometer, right?
Yeah, right.
You are assumed like 5 kilometers. So that's a min
Right.
max scalar. Have you got my
Hmm.
point? The highest value will be marked as a min max scalar value.
Okay, okay.
Have you got my point?
Yeah, getting.
Hmm. The same concepts only, Alka. I'll show you. So see the data set. See the data set, Alka. So here is a 19, right? Here is a
Hmm.
19 something. Here is a 14 something, and here is a 5.0 something, and here is a 6.0 something. Right?
Yeah.
Now you can see. So what it converts, Alka? So what 5.0, what 6.8 converts? Let's see. It's so as a min max scalar, right? Scale value, smaller value, right? 0.4, 0.3, right?
Hmm. It
Hmm.
converted that value to this, right?
Scale value, min max scale. So here is a 19, here is a 14 something here. So let's see.
Hmm. So it has converted it itself by
Yeah.
applying
So
this one
all are in minimum value, Alka. 0
minimum
to 1.
value.
0 to
Oh,
1. Have you got it?
yeah.
Hmm.
So with the help of that scalar, it
Uh,
converted that value
yes,
in minimum
yes.
value.
So machine learning concepts only understand this concept only, Alka. We will
Oh,
feed the machine learning models only this scale value. So then only we are going for min max scalar. Have you got my point?
yeah, getting.
Hmm. And here we are creating the function alga, just given model x train y train x test y test. So first we are fitting the model and predicting we will give us a score, and we will automatically print these steps. I will tell you, just to see here what you people are taken. Decision tree classifier as a what? dt. Decision tree classifier as a dt. Now you are calling the function alga. Now you are calling the function. Now what is here? What is here? dt is here, right?
It, it
So
is
dt is automatically replaced here. So the model name is what? dt, decision tree. So decision tree fit x train y train, and decision tree will predict the test, and decision tree will show the score value. Now it's all are
okay.
showing, right?
Yeah.
Now you're simply seeing. So what is the accuracy using decision tree? 84%, right? See, Alka. So this is the first one is training score. First one is training score. The second one is what? Testing score.
Testing score.
This is the confusion matrix, and this is
Hmm.
the classification report, and this is the classification report. Have you got my point?
Yeah, getting
Hmm.
recall.
The same thing, important features are given as a pandas data frame. You just give the features and the extrain name. Extrain name means what? Review size. So these are the sorry. These are the things are in extrain names, right? And important columns means features importance. So important columns means what? Features importance. So feature importance means how much of importance, like that 0.35 or 0.30 or 0.25, like that importance. Okay, now you are sort the value means you are sorting the descending order to ascending order. I means big number to small number, so then only you are giving the ascending is equal to false. Now you are given return reset the index drop means it automatically removes the index number. Have you got my point, Alka?
Yeah, got it.
You already know figure size. We in bar chart we are given as a x and y. So date feature importance is the data, right? So this is our data, right?
Yeah, right.
Now I given in feature importance, Alka. In feature importance, now see what is the present here. Here features and their importance. Okay. Now I will give as a command line. Once you want to display, you can give as a remove the command line. Okay. The same concept will be applying all the concept, Alka. Now random forest decision classifier as a take as a RF. If you are applying call using this function, it automatically prints the training score, testing
Training and
score.
testing is
Here you are seeing the accuracy, right?
plus.
90 percentage.
Yeah.
Alka, we are just learning which one is highest. So here's a 90 percentage and previous is a 84 for 84.
84.
So now random forest is the highest percentage, right?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, right.
Now same graph, Alka. So you are using for random forest, okay? Then bagging classifier, you are using what? BG. Now tell me. So it's the 88 percentage, right? If you are
Hmm.
using bagging, it shows as a 88 percentage, right?
Yeah,
If you are using gradient boost, it shows as a 90 percentage.
90%.
Gradient also 90
So,
percentage, and
yeah,
random forest also.
90.
Yes, 90 percentage. We can use anyone. And AdaBoost. Now see the AdaBoost score value. So it's 91. It is the highest. AdaBoost is the highest, right?
Hmm.
Uh, Now we are applying, Alka. Decision tree we will take as a DT, random forest, bagging, gradient boosting, ADA boosting. We will give as a estimator, right? These are the base learners, right?
Yeah.
Who's the meta learner? Final estimator is the meta learner.
Yeah.
Now see the output. Just a
Uh,
minute.
Final estimated is RF.
RF means random forest, Alka.
Yeah, yeah, random forest. I was saying
In previously
beneath.
we will take as a random forest as a RF,
Random
right?
forest is we took, yeah.
Here.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. See the output here. This is one also 90 percentage. And which one is
90%.
highest? I think ADA boost is the highest.
91 is the highest. Yeah.
So that's all, Alka. Nothing will here. Have you got it?
Yeah.
That's all. Kindly do the code and take the notes and prepare for mock, Alka.
So in this mock, what we should prepare? What are the things? All the things from the starting?
Machine learning, Alka. Machine learning
Only
plus
machine
self
learning?
introduction. Yes.
Okay,
I'll
fine.
share the
Yeah,
question again. Three
yeah.
questions only. What is classification? What is regression? And what is ensemble learning? You have to define all the concepts. If I am asking what is ensemble learning and I explain it techniques means you have to tell what is ensemble learning, what is what, okay? And another you have to explain
What
the
is
types of
machine
ensemble
learning,
learning.
right?
Types of ensemble learning. So types of ensemble learning you have to define what is bagging, what is boosting, what is stacking. That's all. Come to
Hmm.
classification, you have to tell me. I will ask what is classification and explain its algorithm means you have to explain what is classification, what is what, and you have to explain the types of classification like binary. What are the things we have? Binary classification, multi-class classification, multi-label. Then you
Multi-class
have
and
to explain the
multi-label.
algorithm. Logistic regression means at least you have to tell 5 to 6 points. As ChatGPT to
5 to 6 points
yes,
in logistic regression definition or their workflow, like logistic regression workflow.
yeah.
Workflow,
Sorry, Alka.
or you are saying that 5 to 6 points you have to say in logistic
Yes,
regression. So that's good
if you are
definition.
explaining logistic regression, you can explain logistic regression. So logistic regression stands for you already know. So it is already used for binary classifications and the probability range like that. Whatever I tell told as a story in our class, you can explain all the points. You can take the vocabulary points from your ChatGPT.
Okay, fine.
Hmm. Be prepared, Alka.